We are living through a massive revolution right now. It's not one of steel or steam, but of intelligence itself. And in this brand new world, one particular skill is becoming the ultimate superpower: AI automation. And look, this isn't just about, surviving what's coming. It's about building it.
Yeah, that's not some far-off prediction, right? That is a reality check happening right now. The ground is shifting under our feet, and the question is pretty simple. Are you going to be the one building with AI or the one left behind?
So, the big question is, how do you become that person? Well, that's exactly what this explainer is all about. We're going to hand you the keys to not just use AI, but to actually create with it.
All right, so let's get into it. And trust me, this isn't science fiction anymore. The AI revolution is already here, and it's completely reshaping our world and our work. The data tells a story that you just can't ignore.
Okay, so take a look at this. This chart basically shows you the two sides of the coin when it comes to the AI revolution. On one hand, yeah, some jobs are being automated, but on the other, there is an absolute explosion in demand for people who can build with AI. This isn't really about replacement, it's a massive shift in what skills are actually valuable. And this is where you personally get a superpower. Mastering AI automation means you can literally multiply your output, your value, and your impact. It is an absolute game changer. Okay, so we get why this is a big deal. But what exactly is AI automation? Let's break it down, nice and simple.
For the longest time, automation was pretty, basic. It was just simple rules. If this happens, then do that. But then, boom, generative AI comes along. An AI that can create and reason and understand. Suddenly, that little bicycle we were riding has a rocket engine strapped to it. Automation can now actually think.
And that right there, that is the key difference. AI automation isn't just about moving data around anymore. It's about solving problems that until now required a human brain.
Okay, enough theory, right? Let's actually build something. I think the best way to really get this stuff is to see it in action. So, welcome to your first digital factory.
So, let's meet Kevin. Kevin's awesome. He makes these incredible cookies. But honestly, he's drowning in boring manual tasks. Every single order is this long chain of repetitive clicks. It's slow, it's easy to make mistakes, and it eats up all his time. We're going to fix that.
Think of every single automation you build like a little assembly line. It's got 4 main stations: a trigger, an action, an intelligent step, and then the final output. Super simple when you break it down like that. Let's see how it works for Kevin.
So for Kevin's cookie shop, the trigger, the thing that kicks it all off, is just a new order coming in through a Google form. That's the go button for the whole assembly line.
Okay, first action step. The system instantly grabs all those order details and pops them right into a Google Sheet. Just like that, no more mind-numbing data entry for Kevin.
Now here comes the cool part, the thinking part. The system takes a look at the shipping address. Is it in the US? If not, it gets flagged. I mean, it's a simple decision, but man, it saves Kevin from a ton of headaches later on.
And last up, the output. A confirmation email zips off to the customer, and the fulfillment team gets a ping on Slack. The whole thing, from order to notification, done in literally seconds. That's the power we're talking about.
And you know what the best part is? You can build all of this without writing a single line of code. Seriously. Visual automation platforms like Make.com give you this canvas where you just drag and drop these steps together. It turns hours of grunt work into an instant, totally automated process.
Okay, so we just built one little workflow for a cookie company. Cool. But now let's zoom out. Because this skill, this isn't just about making things more efficient. It is a golden ticket to a massive business opportunity. Wow. Just look at this number. This says everything you need to know. For every single person out there who knows how to build these AI automations, there are more than 1,000 businesses desperate for their help. The market isn't just open, it's a wide open frontier.
So how do you actually cash in on this? How do you turn this skill into a business? Well, you've basically got 3 main paths. You can teach it, you can consult on strategy, or you can get your hands dirty and actually build these workflows for clients. Every single one is a great way to monetize what you know and help businesses thrive.
And look, don't just take my word for it. Mark Cuban hit the nail on the head. The real opportunity here is with small businesses. They all want to use AI. They know they need to, but they have no idea where to even start. That's where you come in. You're the solution.
So, I'm going to leave you with a question.
What's that one tedious, annoying task in your life or your job that you are just sick of doing? Because you now have the keys to the factory. So, what are you going to build first?